Welcome to my YouTube channel, Adela Mix Vlog. Today is we're gonna eat to some foods and healthy foods. Yes, guys. You know, guys, I'm talking, but will not. Guys, always I am talking. I thought it's already record, but not yet. So yeah. This guys, I show you this food for Elena. She like to eat fried egg and that's the toast bread. And then for me guys, I like only boiled egg. Then this is for Elena, this is for us. Then guys, it was 2 days ago. I was not not good from the tummy. And then I feel not good, and that's why I will not eat sweets anymore. So I will eat boiled egg. This girl is just chip cook here, and she cook anything here, and she always eating here. And this one, this Bicol is olive pait-paitan. This is pait-paitan na test. This is olive seeds, nice for the health. Pait talaga siya, guys. This one from my employer, but I will finish to eat this one, guys. I don't want to throw it. This is clean. Yes. Nice if you eat the tomato and olive seed, lemon. This is nice for the health, guys. Mostly if you are high blood, if you are something more sugar, you will eat like this olive oil. If you want to eat if you have a fat, if you are fat and like big, if you're fat, and you can eat the lemon, also tomato and cucumber. You have cucumber na?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So start today, guys. I will eat every day. I will not eat anymore toast. So also I will stop to eat always rice. So I minimize the food. So I will eat only healthy food like fruits, guys. Guys, here you can eat here more food, but we see my body now is guys, I forget to diet. See my body now is my weight is like 60 kilos big now, so I need to diet. So that's why, see this food, I will eat this one only and boiled egg. That's it, guys. After it, starting to work every day. This food, guys, you like it? And Elena, she loves it to eat this one every day. She like eat bread with the cheese. She's the one to finish with the cheese here, guys. Joke. See? She eat at all this one. But okay, this is good. But this is for if you always eating this bread, if you always eat the bread, guys, quickly fat. Alak mo.
Kumain ka na. Magkapi ka nga. Gutom din. Hindi na mahal na. Gutom ka din.
Kamarinig pa kami. This is the result, guys, of the hungry. Yala guys, let's eat, guys. I hope you always watch my video, and thank you to all the What's the call of that? Thank you for watching to my video, especially to all my friends and relatives. I know, I no relatives to watch my video. I know, only my followers. You know, only the my. I know that whose person to always watch my video. I see the comment section. I see the people who watching always to my video, and thank you so much, so much, so much, so much. Thank you a lot, a lot. And I hope you're not, you not stop to watch and continue. And after that, I will give you, secret. I'll give cookie.
May plate mo